Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about how to stay safe during a nuclear attack. With everything happening between Russia and Ukraine, this information could save lives. Stick around to learn what to pack, how to find a bunker, and how to help others. First things first, you need an emergency bag. Pack water, at least a gallon for each person every day. Next, pack food that doesn't go bad quickly. Think canned goods, protein bars, and dried fruit. A first aid kit is super important. Include bandages, antiseptic, and pain relievers. Pack any medicine you need to take regularly. A hand crank weather radio will keep you updated. A flashlight and extra batteries are essential. Pack a multi-purpose tool. Don't forget things to keep clean, like soap and hand sanitizer. Pack carefully and be prepared. The second thing you need to know is how to get to the nearest nuclear bunker. Make sure you know where the closest shelters are and how to get there. If there's a nuclear threat, act fast and follow these steps. First things first, know your safe zones. Before anything happens, find out where your nearest nuclear bunker is. You can find this information online and from your local government. Learn a few different ways to get to these places. Time is very important. When a nuclear attack might happen, every second counts. Don't wait. Don't try to grab things at the last minute. Follow your planned route quickly and directly to the bunker. Stay informed. Listen to emergency broadcasts on your hand crank radio. These broadcasts will tell you what's happening and what to do. Stay calm and collected. Panicking will only make it harder to think clearly and act quickly. Remember, you've prepared for this, and you know what to do. When you reach the bunker, follow the instructions from the authorities. They are there to keep everyone inside safe. Remember, working together is key in a crisis situation. These steps, while simple, can greatly increase your chances of survival during a nuclear threat. Stay vigilant, be prepared, and stay safe. Chapter 3. Helping others during a nuclear crisis. Acts of courage and compassion. And lastly, how you can help others during a nuclear attack. In such critical situations, it's crucial to show solidarity and support. Here are a few tips on how you can help others. In times of crisis, every act of kindness counts. Check on your neighbors, especially the elderly or those with disabilities. Offer assistance with their emergency preparedness plans. Share your knowledge and resources. Spread awareness about bunker locations and evacuation procedures. Every person informed is one step closer to safety. Remember, a community united is stronger than any threat. If you encounter someone in need on the way to the bunker, offer assistance if it's safe to do so. Guide them towards safety. Every life is precious. Once inside the bunker, continue to offer support and comfort to those around you. Share your supplies if possible. A kind word, a helping hand. These small acts of compassion can make a world of difference in a stressful and uncertain environment. Remember, a crisis can bring out the best in humanity. Let's face this challenge together, with courage, compassion, and unwavering support for one another. Chapter 4. Staying calm and hopeful in the bunker. Tips for mental and emotional well-being. While in the bunker, it's important to stay calm and look after the well-being of your loved ones. Follow these recommendations. Maintain a sense of normalcy. Establish a routine. Wake up, eat, sleep at regular times. Engage in comforting activities. Read, write, play games. Connection is key. Talk to loved ones, share stories, offer support. Practice mindfulness. Deep breaths, meditate, stretch, conserve resources wisely. Stay informed but avoid excessive news. Maintain hope and focus on the future. You are strong, resilient, and will get through this. Outro: preparing for a safer tomorrow. Remember that preparation and knowledge are key to surviving a nuclear threat. We hope these tips help you and your loved ones stay safe. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with others so that as many people as possible know how to prepare for a possible threat. Thank you for watching.